What does home mean to you? Could you imagine your life without it? We believe a warm, safe and stable home should not be a privilege but a necessity. As a sector, we have a vision for a Wales where good housing is a basic right for everyone. Since 2008, we've been living in the middle of a housing crisis, a problem that makes it incredibly difficult for people to buy a home, afford rent or secure shelter for the night. We don't have enough homes. Right now, there are over 60,000 people on social housing waiting lists. Housing associations are the main contributor to tackling the housing crisis in Wales. You provide homes and build communities that make a difference to people's lives. You're on track to build over 12,000 affordable homes by 2021, but you have an ambition to do much more, and we'll spend the next 3 years supporting you to be brilliant. We'll shape policy and legislation by identifying political issues and opportunities, commissioning impactful research to strengthen our lobbying work and influence the media agenda. We'll campaign for our proposals to solve the housing crisis to be included in political party manifestos for the 2021 election in Wales, ensuring housing remains a government priority. We'll tell your stories at both a national and local level to attract the right staff and change opinions for the better. Our teams will support you to do your job, so you can make a difference to communities and change lives. To be fit for the future, we need new ways of thinking and working. We'll help you understand future trends, creating space for innovation and disruption, so you can turn ideas into products and services. We'll also develop support packages to help you grow and nurture your teams. We'll do all of this so we can build more homes, to help politicians have a better understanding of what we do and the fundamental role we're playing in communities across Wales, and to create an environment where people are healthier, more prosperous and better connected. A Wales where good housing is a basic right for all, so no one has to imagine a life without a home.